Are you tired of spending hours on workouts that seem to bring no results? Do you feel like your busy schedule leaves no room for long training sessions? If this sounds like you, you're not alone. And I've got a solution that's perfect for women on the go. Imagine achieving effective fat-burning results in just 5 minutes a day. Yes, you heard that right, 5 minutes. Stick with me, and I'll guide you through a quick and simple workout routine that's beginner-friendly, effective, and doesn't require any equipment. Let's dive into it. Now that you're ready to dive into this 5-minute HIIT workout, let's talk about why it's so effective. The secret lies in something called the afterburn effect, or what experts refer to as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. Simply put, it means that even after you finish exercising, your body continues to burn calories for hours. How amazing is that? Here's how it works. During high-intensity exercises, your body uses up more oxygen than usual. Once the workout is done, it has to work extra hard to restore itself to its normal state, repairing muscles, replenishing energy stores, and regulating your systems. This recovery process requires energy, which is why your body continues burning calories, even when you're relaxing on the couch afterward. Compared to traditional cardio workouts, like jogging or cycling for hours, HIIT is a game changer. In just a fraction of the time, it delivers maximum results by triggering this metabolic boost. Plus, it's perfect for busy women who need efficiency without sacrificing progress. Whether you're looking to shed fat, tone up, or simply stay active, the afterburn effect is your ultimate ally. Ready to see this science in action? Let's talk about who this workout is for. This 5-minute HIIT workout is designed to fit seamlessly into your life, no matter your fitness level. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a little experience looking for a quick and effective routine, this workout is for you. If you're just starting out, don't worry. Each move can be adapted to match your current ability. For instance, swap high-impact jumps for low-impact steps. And if you're more advanced, feel free to push yourself harder by increasing speed or intensity. This workout is especially great for women juggling busy schedules. No equipment, no problem. All you need is your body in 5 minutes. Now it's time to put everything into action with this 5-minute HIIT workout. Get ready to move, sweat, and feel amazing, all while boosting your metabolism. We'll go through 4 exercises, each lasting 40 seconds, with short 20-second active recovery periods in between. Remember, the goal is to push yourself during the active intervals and keep moving during the recovery periods. Let's start. Jumping jacks are a fantastic way to warm up and elevate your heart rate. Start with your feet together and your arms by your sides. Jump out, spreading your feet wide while bringing your arms overhead. Then, jump back to the starting position. Keep your pace steady and focus on breathing. If you need a low-impact option, step 1 foot out at a time instead of jumping. Active recovery, march in place. Take this time to catch your breath but don't stop moving. March in place with your knees lifted, keeping your body active and your energy high. High knees. This move is all about engaging your core and keeping your heart rate up. Stand tall and alternately drive your knees up towards your chest as high as you can, pumping your arms as you go. The faster you move, the more calories you'll burn. If you need a modification, slow down the pace or march with high knees. Active recovery, light jog, or step side to side. Use this time to lower your intensity, either jogging lightly in place or stepping from side to side. Breathe deeply and prepare for the next move. Squat jumps. Squat jumps Target your lower body while torching calories. Start in a squat position with your feet shoulder-width apart and your knees bent. Jump explosively, reaching your arms upwards, and then land softly back into a squat. If jumping isn't an option, stick with regular bodyweight squats at a controlled pace. Focus on keeping your form correct. Active recovery. Step side to side or deep breaths. Shift your weight gently from one side to the other, or simply stand in place while breathing deeply. This is your moment to recover before the final exercise. Plank jacks. Get into a high plank position with your hands under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Jump your feet out wide and then back together, just like a horizontal jumping jack. This move strengthens your core while giving you a final cardio push. For a low impact option, step your feet out and in, instead of jumping. Cool down, stretch and breathe. Congratulations, you did it. Wrap up with a gentle stretch or simply stand tall, taking a few deep breaths. Let your heart rate gradually return to normal as you reflect on the effort you just put in. This 5-minute routine might be quick, but it's powerful. Every second you spent here contributes to burning calories and building strength. Ready to hear what makes this routine so effective? Let's wrap it up. Amazing job completing this 5-minute HIIT workout. You've just done something incredible for your body in such a short amount of time. By pushing yourself during these exercises, you've triggered the afterburn effect, which means your body will keep burning calories long after you've stopped moving. That's the magic of HIIT. Maximum results in minimal time. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about consistency. Doing this workout regularly, even just a few times a week, can help you shed fat, boost your energy, and tone your body. And the best part, it only takes 5 minutes out of your busy day. No excuses, right? Be proud of what you've accomplished today, whether you're starting your fitness journey or adding this to your existing routine. You're one step closer to your goals. Keep showing up for yourself. You deserve it. If you loved this quick and effective workout, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fitness routines like this. Share this video with a friend who needs a simple way to stay active. You might just inspire them to start their fitness journey too. Remember, every little step counts, and staying consistent is the key to reaching your goals. Check out the other videos on this channel for more tips, workouts, and motivation to keep you moving. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next session.